Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to boost your Steam games for better performance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Library. This will take you to your full collection of games where you can manage individual titles and their settings. Now, in the left panel where all your games are listed, find the game you want to boost. Right-click on it and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window for that specific game, giving you access to various configuration options that can impact performance. Inside the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it off. Disabling the Steam overlay can free up system resources since the overlay uses memory and processing power to run in the background, which can affect your frame rates and overall gameplay smoothness. Next, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section contains tools for managing and verifying your game data. Once you're there, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature scans all your game files and replaces any that are corrupted or missing, which can significantly improve stability and performance. The verification process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your game, so just be patient while Steam completes the scan. Now we're going to optimize your Windows settings for better gaming performance. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar and type Control Panel. When the results appear, click on the Control Panel app to open it. Once Control Panel is open, look at the upper right corner where you'll find another search bar. Click on it and type Power Options, then click on it from the search results. This section controls how your computer manages power and performance. In the Power Options window, look for the section labeled Show Additional Plans. Right beside it, you'll see a small arrow pointing downward. Click that arrow to expand and reveal more power plan options. These additional plans give you more control over your system's performance capabilities. From the expanded options, check the circle beside High Performance. This power plan ensures your computer runs at maximum capacity by preventing your CPU from throttling and keeping your system components running at their full potential, which is exactly what you need for gaming. Lastly, make sure to update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can severely limit your gaming performance, while the latest drivers often include optimizations specifically designed for newer games and can provide substantial performance boosts. And that's it. You've now optimized your Steam game settings and system configuration for better performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.